Hello students, welcome to this science class. I hope you have understood the last topic, noise and music. Today I will teach you about force and different effects of force. Students, now let's start reading on page 132. Force and definition of force is a push or pull that brings changes. In the first picture, a boy is pushing a table. In the second picture, a girl is pulling a chair. So students, boy and girl are applying force to move these objects. Students, push means when we apply force on objects to move forward. And pull means when we apply force to move things towards ourselves. Students, now can you list some examples where you push or pull things? A boy is pulling a door to open it and other boy is pushing the door to open it. A push or a pull makes an object move. It is a kind of force applied on an object. So students, we can say that force is a push or pull that brings changes in an object. Students, now let's discuss the different effects of force. Force can cause different changes on an object. This is called effect of force. Some of these effects are as follows. First effect of force is moving an object. Force can move an object kept at rest. If you apply force on a still object such as a book, it moves ahead. Students, underline the word still and write its meaning motionless, and underline word ahead and write its meaning forward. Next effect of force is stopping an object. Force can also stop a moving object. So, when you catch a ball coming towards you, it stops moving. Next effect of force is changing the direction of motion. Force can change the direction of an object. Students, suppose an object is coming from one side and we can apply force on that object to change the direction of it. Students, can you think of an example? You do it many times in a day. A soccer player is changing the direction of ball by applying force on it. Next, a cricket player changing the direction of ball by applying force on it, and a badminton player changing the direction of shuttle by applying force on it. So students, in this way we can apply the force on an object and can change the direction of it. Next effect of force is changing the shape of an object. Force can change the shape of an object. You can stretch rubber bands by applying force on them. You can change the shape of clay while making toys. Your mother rolls a chapati from a dough by applying force on it. So students, today I have discussed force and different effects of force. Kindly go through the today's topic and revise these questions. Thank you.